हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आई एम सृष्टि। वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। तो फ्रेंड्स, कल होली है, तो आपने क्या तैयारी की है इस बार? कुछ नया ही प्लान किया होगा कि दोस्तों को इससे भिगाएंगे, पिचकारी से भिगाएंगे या बलून मार मार के ही भिगाएंगे। अगर तैयारी नहीं की है तो नो प्रॉब्लम, मैं हूँ ना। तो चलिए बनाते हैं होली एक्सप्लोजन बॉक्स। इट्स वेरी अमेजिंग ना। अपने फ्रेंड्स, नेबर्स, रिलेटिव्स या पेरेंट्स को बना कर दीजिएगा अपने हाथों से। तो बिना किसी देरी के झट से तैयार हो जाइए मेरे साथ। मटेरियल्स रिक्वायर्ड: colorful paper, red tape and glitter pen and design sheet with sticky notes. Now take any colorful A4 size paper and fold it into a shape of rectangle. Now press it firmly. Cut it into two pieces. Now overlap the pieces. Remember that a cube has all four sides equal. Now we will apply glue and overlap the pieces of paper permanently on each other. Now we have pasted it very nicely. Now we will do the same with smaller sheet. We will again fold it into two pieces of rectangular shape, then cut it. Now we will apply glue in our first overlapped sheet and paste the cutout of smaller sheet. Now again we'll apply glue and overlap our smaller sheet with its twin. We will take any small square sheet equal to the bottom of our cube and paste it on our cube cutout. We will take a teddy and write a cute message in his heart. Our message will contain some water balloons and a water gun that we call pichkari. Now we will close his tiny heart and paste him on yellow paper. We will paste and another yellow paper for his support so he didn't fall. Now we will make pishkari. We will half cut a paper into small pieces and roll it. Roll and roll and roll it. And also include other colors of paper so that the water from our water gun would be colorful. It looks like flower, I think. Well, now we will put any small cutout of any colorful paper so that it could look like a body of our pichkari, and cut any straw and put it like a pump for it. Our water gun is done. Now we will give it to Daddy so that he can play with it. I think that our daddy is very happy with his pichkari. Now we will put double-sided tape and paste our chocolates because chocolates are the life of explosion box. Now we will make a bucket full of water balloons. For that we'll need a circular sheet and put glue over its circumference. Then paste our a quarter cut paper. As you all can see, our bucket is ready and we have put it the handle also. We'll fill our bucket firstly with cotton, then we will fill beads as water balloons. Our teddy has now water balloons to play with. Now it's time for sticky notes. We'll paste our sticky notes with quotes written in it. We'll write the quotes in both Hindi and English, means English. I think it's a room of teddy with chocolates inside. Now we will make cap for the inner side of our explosion box. For that, we will draw a square and join the corners with a line and cut the line. We will now fold it equally. Now we will join the triangles and apply glue and paste it so that we can make the complete cap by pasting our triangles. Our cap is ready. Now we will close the inner side of our explosion box, or we can say Daddy's room. Now we will paste the design sheets in it. Until I am pasting my design sheets, can you tell me what is your favorite festival in the comment box? मेरा तो दिवाली है फेवरेट फेस्टिवल, क्योंकि उसमें पटाखे फोड़ने को मिलते हैं. आफ्टर पेस्टिंग आवर डिज़ाइन शीट्स वी विल राइट द कोट्स. सारे कोट्स में घुमा फिरा के सिर्फ एक ही बात लिखिएगा, हैप्पी होली. देन वी विल क्लोज आवर एक्सप्लोजन बॉक्स विद इट्स कैप. वी विल पैक आवर एक्सप्लोजन बॉक्स विद रिबन and we will write a small note of saying happy holy dear. Whoever will open the box will first put off the ribbon, then open the cap and see the codes that we have written. जब देखने में ही इतना अच्छा लग रहा है तो खोलने वाले को कितना ही पसंद आएगा. Then we'll open the daddy's room full of coats and chocolates with pitchkari and daddy's water balloon and a bow. That is of course daddy's. Whoever will try to open our daddy's heart will first put away the pitchkari, then we'll try hard to open it because we have pasted the daddy's hand in his heart. And finally, with a lot of effort, Hishi will open it, then see the message of Happy Holi. If you like my explosion box and wanted to give it to your friend,